Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a little behind the scenes of the More Than Marketing course. So if you purchase it, you will get your login information to your email immediately, and then you can log on and see all of this. And so obviously there's the welcome, Facebook group, finding your why. You do get a why call after this. This is a one-on-one call with me and you. It generally takes a few hours for us to really dig deep and get into the life stories of it all and find your why and your life purpose. And then in the second module, what you'll do is find your ideal client, and then we apply your why with your ideal client and just figure out, what is your superpower going to be? Like, what is the thing that's going to make you unique that your business is going to do for them? And then obviously you can move into branding, where we apply all of this information to build a brand that really reflects who you are, but also really connects with your ideal client. And it's not just going to be like, colors and fonts and all of that stuff. We do get into that stuff, but it's also going to be a lot about how to make your personality and your voice really come across in your brand so that when people read what you write, they feel like they're talking to you. And then we also talk a lot about your origin story, your brand story, which is like a lot of what's on your About Me page and stuff. And then we get into marketing, where I kind of give you the basic overview strategy of all photographers when it comes to marketing, and then where you guys could also kind of customize it a little bit as well. I show you my behind the scenes strategy for Facebook, all of that good stuff. I also have, so we do Facebook, Instagram, Instagram stories, live videos, kind of like how to make it all work together, networking, email marketing, blogging. I also do have a video on TikToks and Reels. And then, when you go back into here, we talk about writing content. I give you my specific plan for how I come up with content. No plan, write, schedule, but obviously I dive into that. So, and no, obviously you'll get like my top recipes for coming up with content. So like when you're sitting here staring at your screen and you're like, I need to schedule my post, but I don't know what to write. That kind of really helps with all of that. And then same, planning, writing, scheduling, storytelling, all the good stuff. Then we go into client experience, and then the bonus videos, SEO, market research with Michelle Knight, branding and designing your website, mindset matters, hashtag bootcamp, what to do when your business explodes, how to organize your time, rags to riches, budgeting your business, all of the good things. And then I have a resources tab and a Facebook group, obviously, as well.